Hi, welcome to flute lesson number 1. You will notice your flute is in a case like this. You need to put it together. There are only 3 pieces. The mouthpiece goes inserted right in here. It should slide in pretty simple, pretty easily. And the end piece goes on the end. If you look across your flute, you see all the flat buttons. The bar here, this bar, should be in line with the buttons of the flute. It does not go this way. Where that's lined up, there's a bar right on top that you see here that needs to go along with the pads or the buttons of the flute. Also make sure that the hole in your mouthpiece also goes along with the buttons of the flute. All right. The way to make a noise is to put your lips together, put your finger here, and blow. Just like that. Another way you can look at it is pretend like you're blowing into a bottle of a soda and trying to make a whistling noise. It's the same concept. So you make sure your flute is on your lip, like this, not away. This does not work. Right on it. If it's not making a sound, make sure, first of all, that your mouthpiece is in the correct position. You can also turn it a little bit. For example, I'll start here far away. And you find the place where it actually makes a noise or plays a note. Again, if it's not producing a sound, make sure that you turn it forward or back, and also make sure that it is on your lips right here, and you're saying two. I'll demonstrate again. You can pause the video now and try it a few times on your own to see if you can get a sound. If not, don't give up. Also, you may experience some lightheadedness, and if that happens, just take a break, get some water, or look at your music. Now, our first note that we learn on the flute is a D, and this D is on the 4th line of the treble clef. You see the fingerings here. I'll try to put it here so you can see. Your first finger skips this one, goes to this one, skips that one, goes there, 3. So you use 3. In the back, you have 2 buttons. Your thumb will go on this button right here. Not this one, but this one. So you put your thumb there, first finger here. Remember, you skip the first one, skip that one. Those are your first 3 fingers. Your last 3 fingers go here. 1, 2, and 3. And actually, it's counted this way. And this pinky is reserved for this little button right here. This is how to properly hold the flute or use it for fingering. Now, the D note that we're going to play first, you release the pinky and you release the first finger here. This is D. You do keep the back finger down. I will play 4 Ds for you. Notice how I have my fingers placed here. I've taken this finger off, and I've taken this finger off here also. So it's finger 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make sure that you don't get it confused and put them up here. Okay, this finger here, this last finger has to be at the place as if you took this off, it would be this one here. I know it can be kind of confusing. So that is D. You notice in song number 1, you play D, a whole note, which is worth 4 beats. Then you have a whole rest, which is 4 beats of silence. Then you play 4 again. I will play this for you. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. And that's song number 1. Now, the second note that you learn is E flat, which is the 4th space on the treble clef, but it's with the flat. Remember, as we've learned in theory, a flat makes a note go down half a pitch. The E flat is played similarly to the D. You're going to leave this finger up, put these 2 fingers down, right here, these 3, but you're going to use your pinky here on this one. Make sure it's not this one, make sure it's this one. This is E flat. Listen to it. Again. Now we'll play D and then E flat so you can hear the difference. D, E flat. D, E flat. You notice it lifts up this pad here. So that is E flat. Number 2 is called going up. You're going to play E flat for 4, rest for 4, E flat for 4, rest for 4, E flat for 4, and rest for 4. I'll let you play that on your own. Number 3 combines the 2 notes. You have D and then E flat. I will play number 3 for you so you can hear. So we start with D. Remember, D is the 4th line from the bottom on the treble clef. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, E flat, go. Rest, 2, E flat again. Rest, 2, D, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're always counting in your head. Now, song number 4, we learn our 3rd note. These are first 3 notes are the most important ones you're going to learn, at least for this quarter. F is a little different. In the previous 2 notes, we played D and E flat. Now we're going to put this finger down. Remember, we're skipping this one, playing this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the pinky. So we're leaving these 2 off. Right? This note is F, which is the 5th line from the bottom on the treble clef. Again, if you're having a hard time producing a sound, roll your flute a little. Make sure that it's up against your lips and you're saying 2, 2, but in a whisper. Again, imagine yourself blowing into a bottle of soda or water and trying to produce a sound. Again, here is F. Here's the fingering. First button, remember skip. That one, this one, and this one. But just like D. But we're doing F. I apologize. So we're going to leave these 2 up, and we're going to keep this pinky down. This is F. Make sure your flute looks just like that. Listen again. All right, so your homework is I want you to work on playing those 3 notes. D. Remember, E, D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No pinky, no pointer. E flat, you add this pinky right here. That is E flat. F, put this finger down. Lift these 2 fingers up. So all I want you to do is work on those 3 notes. D, E flat, and F. Once you know those notes, you should be able to play song number 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right? Keep working hard. Don't give up. Remember, if you get lightheaded, to take a break. All right, we'll see you in lesson 2.